Hello friends. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. If you have not watched my previous video yet, click on I button to watch and subscribe to my channel to keep yourself updated. Features to cover: text formatting shortcuts, table creation without using create table, and create multiple types of border line. So let's start.
In this video, I am going to show you that I have text in multiple lines, and Winkselbliss is the heading of the data, which does not look like what I said. That is why I am going to show you a few shortcut keys to format text properly. To format text, first select it. On the keyboard, press the curly bracket close symbol key while the control key is pressed to increase the font size, and press the control key and open curly bracket symbol key to decrease the font size. You can do it manually by pressing Alt, H, and Fs and typing a number to increase or decrease the font size. This time, press Alt, H, A, C to align text in the center, press Alt, H, and AR to align text in the right, press Alt, H, and AJ to justify the alignment of text, but in my case, I want my text to align in the left, so I will press Alt, H, and AL to align my text in the left. Now press Alt, H, and F 2 times to change font, type font name, or press the down arrow key from the keyboard to select font. After that, press Ctrl key and B to make text bold, Ctrl and U to make text underlined, or Ctrl and I to make text italic, as per your requirement. For now, I am making my text bold. Remember that while you are making any changes like this to your text, keep it selected all the time. After this formatting, you can format the rest of the text like this. Now if you want to create border lines below headings, first, put the cursor at the end of the text and press enter. In the next line, type hyphen by pressing the dash or minus key 3 times and press enter for a single line. In place of this thin line, you can get a thick line, just press shift and the hyphen key for the underscore symbol 3 times and press enter. For 2 lines, just press the equals key for the equal symbol 3 times and press enter. For 3 lines, just press shift and the 3 number key on the numeric keypad for the hash symbol 3 times and press enter. For the zigzag line, just press shift and the back quote key for the tilde symbol 3 times and press enter. In the end, you will see how to create a table without using the insert table option in MS Word. To create a table, just click on the blank space and one time press the equals symbol while holding shift for the plus symbol. Now press the minus symbol n times. N times define the width of the table as per your requirement. Again, one time press the equals symbol while holding shift for the plus symbol, and press the minus symbol n times for the width of your table, then press shift and equal for the plus symbol, and hit enter to create a table. You can type plus and minus for the number of columns according to your requirements. In the end, put the cursor in the last cell of the table's first row and press the tab key on the keyboard to add the number of rows in your table. In the description, you can find a link to download the daily use MS Word keyboard shortcut keys PDF file.
Simply click on the link in the description or scan the QR code to download the keyboard shortcut file. The method to download the shortcut file using the QR code is the same as the process to download the practice file. Watch the video. The link to the video is also in the description, or click on the I button. In the next tutorial video, we will cover Microsoft Word tips to create random paragraphs, conversion of normal text to headings, etc.